Yo guys, what's up? It's Alex from GMG Studio. Today we will unbox the iPhone 14 Pro Deep Purple. Let me show it to you. I just wanted a special color and I wanted to go back to the iPhone. I used a Pixel and I just prefer the iPhones and it looks so good. The deep purple is just a really dark purple and it looks amazing. Let me get it out, guys. It's always an experience to unbox an iPhone. It's so satisfying. And there you can see the typical stuff Apple includes, like stickers, some random paper, the thing to get your SIM card in, and a Lightning to USB-C cable. Well, that's all. It's like over $1,000 and you don't get much. Well, it's Apple. And guys, this is a really heavy phone to mention. If you get it first in your hand, it's actually really heavy. And this is so satisfying to remove the paper. And the phone is so good. It looks amazing. And I really like the color. When they announced it, like, yeah, we make a purple iPhone, I was like, Apple, I want a green iPhone, I want a blue iPhone, but I don't want a purple iPhone. What's wrong with you? But it looks good. They did a great job. And I know we normally do development tutorials like how to develop a mobile game with Unity or how to develop an Android app. But I got the iPhone today and I wanted to unbox it for you. I don't know, if you like it, let us know in the comments, and if you want to see a review of it, let us know so I can make one. It would be kind of fun, I think. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.